Came in. Epic Hero Shop Moon Knight t-shirt right here. You can catch me wearing this on Wednesdays for the next 4 weeks. Let's get into it. Dun, 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 dun. Let's see what we got. Oof. The Crescent Crusader. See here, you got Moon Knight jumping over the pyramids, the moons. You have like these symbols down here. Looks like a rope being tied, an owl of some sort, of sun. Is that an airplane? What is that? Just an arm, maybe? And you got like an eye, and like a beetle of some kind, and a toenail. So, cool. Check that out though. That's sick. Very cool. See, this is how I'm gonna be sitting on Wednesdays in my Moon Knight garb. Awesomeness. Love it. Appreciate what the Epic Hero Shop people do, making dope merch when all the official licensed merch looks basic with concept art and stuff. You know where to get this. Over at epicheroshop.com, I'll put a link in the description. You can go get yourself your own. Leave a like, subscribe. Tell me how you're enjoying Moon Knight, and I'll see you next time.